live. Ayan, naimbitahan na naman tayo sa isa na namang kapanapanabik na laban ng ating masasaksiyan dito sa Parañaque City. Nandito po tayo ngayon sa Parkel para tungayan ang isa na namang napakagandang laban ng ating masasaksiyan between the Team Quiapo versus the Team Airline. Ayan, may magsisimula na tayo sa kanilang laban. This is the day 2 ng kanilang paliga. Ayan, maraming salamat po sa lahat ng kumontak po sa akin. Ayan.
Okay.
Brother from Halal Brothers. Maraming salamat po. Ayan, shoutout.
Shoutout.
Aris D. Ayan, good evening po. Aris D, thank you sa pag-imbita. Ayan, sa inyong tournament, basketball tournament dito sa Open Court sa Parkel. It's an honor na mai-cover ang inyong mga laban. Pangalawang day na po ito. Apo. Shoutout po, sir.
May mga pitik-pitik, boss. May mga pitik-pitik.
Wala na, meron naman.
Live lang.
Apo, live. Shoutout po, sir. You know, from Halal Brothers. Good luck, good luck. Sir Epi. Boss Idol.
Pass inbound. Tap yung ano. Yun na lang. Court quarter lang, ha. Yung dalawang kipere, si Mohane at saka si Agis. Okay lang na yung player magreklamo. Pag panay yung reklamo rin, i-technical na. Pag ano, naman, okay lang na normal na magreklamo yung kipere. Pag magsalita na pag-inisyo ng gagawin, automatic na yun. Basta ang isipin nila, enjoy nila yung laro. Kaya naman natin ito ginawa para mag-enjoy. Walang personalan. Pag hindi kayo magbibilang, may activity kami dito. Management. Pwede kami sa ano. Okay, start na! Asot na yung first five.
Airline. Airline white. Airline white, no? Okay. Kala ko na bago eh. Okay. Sige, good. Okay, Team Airline po, mga nakaputi at ang Team Quiapo with their black jersey.
Yung management ba, walang... dito lang.
Ayan, referee ang ating bida, ang ating idol. Ang ating brother, Muhammad Aris D.
Pag hindi na kaya, hiningan na. Pwede i-consider na ano. Mag-ano kayo. Basta, every quarter, dalawang yung time out. Every quarter, tanda nyo, dalawa yung time out nyo. Sige, play.
Let's go. Let the battle begin. First ball. And the first basket para sa black team.
Number 30, grabbing the ball. Grabbing the ball. Pass to number 8.
What a reverse layup
Shot by Gani.
for the white shirt.
Gani.
All two.
Number 11, grabbing the ball. Pass to number 1. Back to number 11.
Rep, sorry. Thank you.
Basket by
Number 27.
grabbing the ball. Good. Not counted.
No good. Rebound ng mga Lucky Team. Outlet pass. For extra pass number 13 and score. 4-2.
Number 12.
Pass number 30 at the middle. Spin up and under, gets the foul.
Number 29. Foul, number 29.
Foul number 29. Shooting the line, choosing number 8. From the white team.
Okay, not counted. First attempt, not counted. Second attempt. Jersey number 8. Counted.
Hindi ko na po muna lalagyan ng ng oras. Sabihin na lang po natin.
Not counted. Number 8. Grabbing the ball. Pass. Field. Remaining time, 8 minutes and 30 seconds.
8 minutes and 30 seconds sa ating first quarter. Number 0343, short.
Okay, elbow.
Out of bounds. White ball.
Number 27, grabbing the ball. Pass to.
Step back 3. Uy! Munti ka na. Rebound, number 26. Oopsie, bad pass.
Out. At field.
Kick out, number 1. Jump shot, no. Rebound. Number 1 to number 12. Steal. Ayan na. What an extra pass. Number 23 and score.
Third. 8-2, 8-6. 2-6. Third, 2-6.
Official score is 2-6 in favor of the Team Quiapo. Ang mga naka-team.
And just that's right. Oh, loose ball it. Instant violation.
3 seconds violation.
Time 7 minutes and 10 seconds. Remaining time 7 minutes and 9 seconds.
Number 743 short.
Counted,
Correction, number 6.
ball.
What an extra pass. Number 27 to number 8 short. Rebound. Reverse layup and 1. Jersey number 8.
29 again. Number 29, 2 foul.
That is Sergio Biel. Bonus shot para kay jersey number 8. Basket is good.
Counted by number 8. Gani. Ay, Gani.
Baba sa isang lamang ng Team Quiapo. Number 23. Oh, steal ng mga naka-white shirt. Ayan na, nagmamadali. Uy! Number 23.
Okay. 15 seconds shot clock. 15 seconds.
Number 30. Wala.
Loose foul.
Gets the foul. Number 26. Black ball. Number 02. Uy! Grabe naman yan. Umupo sa ere. Si number 7. Number 30 attacking the basket. No good. Rebound ng mga naki-team. Outlet pass. Number 11. Akin na to. And basket is good.
5.
Para mali ata yung score ko. Sorry. No.
Okay, counted by Haji Ali. Score 7-5. Foul.
Official score po natin, 10-7.
Score 7-10. Libog of Quiapo.
Team Quiapo.
Score 10-7.
No good. Rebound. Ang mga naka-team. Ayan na. Wala. Wala pa rin. Gets the foul.
Okay, time out. Time out. Quiapo.
Time out. Team Quiapo. Official score 10-7. Favor of the black team. Ay, pagod. Ilan yan? Isa? Okay.
Okay, tatawagin ko yung mga foul. Quiapo. Yung Quiapo, number 59, Upa. Number
Saan?
53,
Back to the ball game. Shoutout po sa akin kasama dito ng photographer. Hello. Ano po alam, sir? Ayan, shoutout Sir Joshua, ating photographer, official photographer ng ating liga. And sa Halal Brothers.
let's go. 4 minutes and 44 seconds. Time of first quarter. First attempt, not counted. Second attempt.
Outed pass, steal. Number 30. Oh!
Counted by
Basket count and one para kay number 30.
Who's foul? Number 1. Remaining time, 4 minutes, 33 seconds.
4 minutes and 33 seconds left.
Running for penalty, black team. Team Quiapo. Number 3.
Basket is good. Change favor. Lamang na ang mga naka-white shirt. Let's go. Number 0343. No. Rebound number 11. Pass to number 23. Short. Steal. Ayan na. Number 12. Whoa! What a nice layup kay jersey number 12. Sir Rockman. Ay na, nagmamadali na naman. Number 30 all the way. That's a foul. Ganda naman na layup doon ni Sir Rockman. Number 30 shooting in the line. Basket. Okay, back to the ball game. Bola rito ng white ball. Official score 22-17 in favor pa rin sa Team Airline. Rockman 4-3. No good. Rebound again. Oh! Basket by number 12. Steal. Number 22. What an extra pass. Drop pass. Steal by number 21. Out that pass. 2 against 1. Wala. Rebound. Good defense para kay Sir Rockman. Uy. Hindi ka na mabagawan. Steal. Steal. Ayun na. Number 28. Drop pass. Oh. Basket. 24-17. Number 77. Uy. 10-second shot clock. Number 77. Sidestep. Using the board. Basket. 19-24. Uy! Nakalusot si number 28. By Sir Lucky.
Number 21, grabbing the ball.
19-26. You see the glass. At nakalusot.
Number 21.
Ayun na, baba sa 5. 26-21.
And number 28, grabbing the ball again. Isip, Olosot. Passing.
Drop pass. Ganda ng pasa pero wala. Rebound ng mga nakablock. Ayun na. 2 against 2. Tumira sa 3. Short. Out of bounds. White ball. Mina signal, brother.
3 minutes. Score 28-21.
Florida, bro. Ito. Ayun na, si number 28. Ayun na. Uy! Munti ka na magawan. At naagawan ng mga nakiteam. Ayun na, nagmamadali. Number 77. Basket. Out that pass. Ito na ang mga nakawait. Uy! Number 30. Grabe naman ang lakas nun. 28-23. Ito. Yan yung nagla-live na rin.
Ito na ba yan? Ito yan?
Hindi. Hindi, may na po kasi signal. Punta mo lang yung ano, yung Facebook na yan.
Ano ba?
Ayan. Pumasok na.
2 minutes.
Rockman 4-3, short. Last 2 minutes. Ayan na, number 77. Uy! And 1! Counted ka? Not counted. 2 shots para kay number 77.
Okay, remaining time. 2 minutes and 2 seconds.
Ayun na yung signal niya, pero bumabalik naman.
Pero pag natapos yan, tuloy-tuloy na.
Na-save naman, na-save. Jump shot, basket!
21.
Ayan na, isa na lang. 28-27. Isa na lamang po ang lamang ng Team Airline. Rockman to number 28. Pass to number 8. Basket. Ayan na, out that pass. Oopsie.
Time out.
Time out.